Hi guys, welcome to Lancaster Automart. My name is Danny. Here we are at our site. Not a bad afternoon. We are one of 4 in the UK under the Cox Motor Group umbrella. And today we have for you a lovely treat. It's a 2018 Hyundai i30. It's the N Performance T-GDi model. It's a 2 litre petrol, 6-speed manual, 5-door hatch in white. It's got red performance calipers, silver and black alloys, and performance kit styling as well. Privacy glass at the back, shark fin aerial, black coloured roof, integrated brake light on the spoiler, some red detailing on the black skirts. A lot of fun to drive, great little car. And it has literally just arrived with us. Just have a quick look inside for you as well. So it's the black leather and suede trim with the embossed logo. It is immaculate, it's been well looked after. Like I say, it's a great drive. Service history is good. So if there's anything you'd like to know about this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email, give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. We'll give you the keys and you can take it for a test drive. And we also do a video walk around tour of the car as well, so if there's anything you want us to highlight or pinpoint, we can do that for you, no problem. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.